Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. So I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Yesterday, the Fallback Republic decided to host a program they called a UK town hall meeting and all that. So we are gonna go through it together. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me remind you that the reason why we are talking about the town hall meeting, UK town hall meeting, they call that. The lady here is called Bishop. Bishop something, something like that. I don't know her full name. This mama here and this lady here. So I think this one is the minister. I don't know what they call it because I don't know how they have nicknamed everything and just to favor them. But that's not why we are here. We are here to hear what Sonia Akparawa said based on what happened in the past. That's why I think this what he said here is worth sharing. I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's hear what he said.
That make all of us dance and remove waste sickness.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Dance and dance and dance, and we got spiritually healed with our dancing steps. Thank you, Comfort.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you, Madam Ki.
Okay,
And
Bishop
thank
Comfort.
you.
Okay.
Where's our Deputy Rep Mwachuku? We thank you so much because the three of you did something wonderful, honestly.
Yes, so
There are people
Now
that
listen.
in 2022, when we change them from the reps position of UK, they started fighting so hard.
yeah.
Yes. And then the liaison authority went down to Boniface, our deputy, and his deputy.
Now he's talking about when they changed people from the position in UK back then, right? And those ones started fighting tooth and nail, trying to destroy everything. The same thing Sona Akparawa and Eggman Mazakwa did after declaration of Biafra. The reason why those one fought is because of position. The same thing that Sona Akparawa did with Mazakwa. And yet, he's here trying to lecture people, what you should do if they change you from your position and all that. That's why I've told you you need to hear this because Ebluzu yours on easy or the Kebu Konko. Again.
And there was so much fight. That is when I told those people, it is not about you. It's about Biafra.
Okay.
Biafra.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you are serving and then you're not delivering, and then the government say you will have to be replaced, you don't need to take it personal.
Okay. But
And I have a question to ask.
but you during your own time, just because cabinet was dissolved and that thing affects your office, what did you do? You came out using your platform and remind Biafran there's power in media. Like again.
Now, those people, since they were changed from the position of the UK liaison reps, where are they today? Since 2022 or 2023, did they continue to support Biafra,
Yeah.
or they went to sit on the fence because they were replaced
Okay.
of their position?
Okay.
So the question is, some of you come to Biafra for position.
In Anoka,
You don't come.
coming from Sona Akparawa. The man that immediately after declaration of Biafra used his platform together with Mazakwa to question everything and begin to tear things apart, building cabal to energize Ogenkere with his new republic. These are people, you see, in life, before you attack people, before you attack people, accuse people, always check your antecedent, your own antecedent, check your own result. Are you committing that? Have you ever committed that kind of thing that you want to criticize, or are you saying it because you want to favor Mr. A or Mr. B? Hear him.
For Biafra first.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Some of you come for Biafra to carry position and to carry name,
Yeah.
and not to deliver the services that is needed of you.
Or quite the same thing with
When
my
we check
fighter.
and see that you're not delivering anything and then changes are to happen, you get angry.
This life.
Then when you are replaced of that position, That is when Biafrans should be able to know if you were actually for Biafra. Because if you were actually for Biafra, you will continue your donations. One, you will continue to participate in every activity. Two, and
Did you do the same thing when your own position was relieved of you? Like, you know that a new cabinet emerged and your honorable will not be there. What did you do? Because of your position, you form the you see you want to fall back, you want to remain backward because you want to maintain this your honorable son Akparawa. The matter. You see, you cannot just eat your cake, can have it. Just look at this man. If let's assume that you are smart at all, you see this kind of comment you made here. You are the least person that I expect this kind of thing to come from because of your work, because of what you have done. But Odeka, you guys don't have any iota of shame, to be honest.
then you will be giving all your support to the newly elected officials into that
Did
office
you do
because
the
you
same
were there
thing? No.
before. You should even be their backbone now
In
to
Ania.
help them to climb to greater heights. And that is how a teamwork should be. Mhm. But the reverse has become the case. I want to appreciate the UK license team. You guys have done wonderful. It wasn't up to 1 month since the new team was inaugurated. The next thing we saw was they want to have a town hall meeting. Meeting here, meeting here, meeting here. And the way they mobilize themselves, so much of consistency and dedication were coming in from the UK. Minister Comfort, the only bishop we have, and the only swagalicious minister that we have, played a vital role in creating unity and a reconciliation with those that never really understood what Biafra freedom is all about. Because some people take it that it is a property. So when I told don't do this is like you are collecting the position where they are supposed to be collecting salary. There is no salary.
But wait, so a bishop in I believe in it should be in Christendom, right? You a bishop, not even a reverend, not even an evangelist, and you are siding Oginkere. I mean, not even not it's not as if you are young. You should know your left or right, but at this age, what did you see in Oginkere that other people are not seeing? I just want to know because it said Bishop Dr. Comfort, meaning academically you should be there, right? Because I can see Dr. Doctor attached to your name. Anyway, what am I even saying? Didn't we have professor, somebody be a professor? Hi, the Chineke Melune, but I find trouble come. You know why? Women always go after themselves. Nobody hate themselves much more than women. As long as no why not, they are the first to attack themselves. Anyway, so now one reason not to work with a USB or COS is remarkably different from all of you. Your own reason could be she's a woman like me. How can I obey her? Why will I follow her? She's a woman. She's a woman. She's younger. You know that kind of thing. Not every woman though. But Sana Akparawa own, you see, he's this honorable information minister. That's all. And somehow to remember the dog can is a cheerful giver. He can, a big way and or blue pass or yeah. So they have a reason to follow him. What is your own reason? Yeah, are you just blind? You don't know what is going on or what? Anyway.
In this Biafra government. I'm not on salary. APM is not on salary. PM is not
Hey,
on salary.
yes, I know they are not. PM is not on salary. You are not on salary, but you are be eating more than on salary. Okay, if you gonna cook in a salary, where can you it? Think about it now. What are you gaining? It was people that are on salary they are more honorable than you. What salary you can get you have something to gain, maybe 4 times in a month or even 3 times. I'm just saying, I don't know, you may not be on salary, but you eat or you earn more than people who are on salary. So what salary for what? Ebe nke a ka amịta mkpụrụ ka ife salary akụ.
No, if Biafra Defense Forces are not on salary, rather, everybody are sacrificing what they have, their
Okay.
time and energy and resources, and their family.
Now listen.
When I say family,
Listen to
some
this
people
part.
may not understand.
Okay. Make us
Many
to
of
understand.
us are having problems with our family because of putting our legs and heads in this Biafra.
Okay. Okay. That makes sense. Okay. But then.
Families are going in different ways because of what? The stand we take to put our legs in this Biafra.
Okay.
So if some of you don't know it.
Okay. Again, you know if
Because there is nobody that wants to sit down and see that your husband, your wife, your family, or the father of your children is handcuffed and his photo is being used on the media and they write criminal, traitor, criminal, traitor.
Now, this is the second reason why I tried to react on this sharply. Like I told you, I'm not going to waste much time. Maybe after this, I will end this video. I just want you to learn something from this video. One, he claimed that he's not on salary, and which is okay. You're not on salary, but he earn more than that. Not only that, he also says something again that people who if who they relieve of their duty, like change their position, and maybe the cabinet say or government say, okay, you have done well, we have somebody to replace you, can you just go in, have relax, let another person take over without even give you another job or maybe another post. What will you do? How many of you can do that? The only person that I'm speaking based on someone who is not an insider based on what is on social media, that they relieve her of her duty. I don't know if they gave her another job or something, another duty, and nobody, she did not even raise any voice, anything. Is Pastor Rose, right? Maybe there are other people. I'm just saying based on my own little knowledge. Okay, she's the one. Whether they gave her another thing, but remember, how did I even know that they relieve her of her duty? Fallback group, when the USB government changed her position, her post, they were waiting for her to, unleash anger or venom, against USB and COS. They were mocking somebody, they caught my attention on my own program that very soon Pastor Rose will leave you guys. Ha, 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 ha. I was like, okay, I don't even know much about Pastor Rose. I started paying attention, trying to find out who is Pastor Rose and what was going on and all that. Then she just kept quiet because she already know how dubious they are. She just kept quiet. Coming back again, wow. She did not even run away, or she just maintained peace, and she came back again with a love and very powerful speech and comment. That kind of thing. It shocked them. That is somebody who actually proved them wrong for once, and since they different is being declared. So now what did they do? So I learned that from this video, that Sona Akparawa, who refused to follow suit, to understand that his job had been taken away from him for betterment of the movement and everything, he was not able to digest it. He refused to accept it. He used his platform and begin to go gaga, begin to go crazy with Mazakwa just to elevate to get great. That's the second thing now, right? That is third, you may add the one of money. Now here again, he's telling you about what it means to have a family, and your picture is here and there. They design your picture and put criminal and all that, coming from a man who used COS picture and you remember when they put her picture upside down? I was like, the same thing I told somebody, one of independent broadcaster now, speaking is, for the side of a USB government, whom I told that you saying that somebody, writing somebody's rest in peace. Remember the case, right? Just like that. You put rest in peace. Then I said it's not good, and he misunderstood everything. Then that's a story for another day, though. Now, so now Akparawa turned somebody's pictures upside down. They were using that, calling her Fulani woman. Now you know how painful that it can bring depression to a family when you call somebody's husband, somebody's mother, somebody's sister, somebody's aunt. You are calling her, Fulani woman, a terrorist, a criminal, a saboteur. You started it using your own platform with Eggman. Then because my own, I always want to be careful. When this whole thing was going, I said, let me now, I'm not gonna say anything. That was when Biafra United said that he is neutral, which he couldn't keep for 3 days, and he decided to run mad again on social media. You see, maintaining your word is very, very important. I did not just start talking about these people. I gave time for them to a kind of room for reconciliation, but they refused to utilize it because they have already made up their mind that Ngozi is a nobody and they're gonna tear her apart. After all, I have a platform. Today, you are now realizing because now no, you are now receiving your own picture the same way. You are now realizing that it can bring depression and bring problem in the family and all that. Think about it. Just think about it because you guys think that you are dealing with animal. We are talking to human beings like you.
Criminal, traitor. Hmm. Some people may not understand. There are families that don't want to see their loved ones.
But your group designed COS and gave her, designed her picture with a Fulani people holding rifle. You remember? Holding rifle. You cannot just start all those things and expect people to because now you want to sound as if you are innocent, you mind your business, and people begin to give you what you know. You guys started it. The height of it all is turning somebody's picture, turning her picture upside down. Even at this moment, I find it difficult to turn Ogekere picture upside down because I know what it means. The spiritual meaning of that. You did it. You guys committed a lot of atrocities, thinking that you are talking to, I don't know. What have you gained from that?
Being ridiculed in the media like that.
After
Then
the
where
after
are
the
they
clip
not
in
seeing my
Biafrans?
photo? What name has not been written on my photo?
It's true.
It's true. Bishop, even you.
What name has not been written on the
Wait,
photo?
Bishop, you even say it's true. You don't know how to preach to your people. At least Sonny should be as a bishop. He should learn from you then, or your own bishop is just on paper. Tell him what he has done. You are matured enough to know what he has done in the past. Use your profession as a bishop, as a clergy person. You know, teach him, tell him, Sonny, you know what you did before. You know what you did. Designing human being, kajoking. You think only you know how to do it. It was what you started that Biafran begin to serve you your own food. And likely so. I'm not blaming anybody. Because what you guys did is still ringing in my head. It's still very, very fresh in my memory. Very, very bad of you. And you are here. Honestly, you are the least person that I expect to complain about what is going on social media. Because Biafrans were in Finland, going to their various homes, you use your platform with Eggman, begin to ask Ngozi who told her to dissolve the cabinet. Ask Ngozi who told her to dissolve the cabinet. She stopped Biafran Liberation Army from fundraising. Now all your fundraising is now going to Elias. Going to Elias and go and somehow you want to say, but sometimes the Biafran Liberation Army came out and said that if they call on you, you give them something. Not if you are giving them monthly, giving them weekly, no, but when they call on you. Anyway, I don't want to go there. It's not my business because I'm not an insider. But I'm talking about what we see on social media and what you have done, whether you are giving them money or not. That's entirely your business. I'm not here for that. But you cannot complain about this kind of thing because that's what you're known for. That has been your deal for a very long time. So why complaining now?
Of APM and PM and Mazinam Nikano. And most importantly,
You see the name that he mentioned? This is people that bothered him, picture of PM, picture of SP. He just mentioned PM for Kobuka Nekuluk. But the thing, your anger is on you because your picture and the APM. Because now you are fighting with the Eggman. What you should have included him as well because the picture is also, going crazy on social media as well. His own is even, you guys have actually designed his own with AI which I posted. I was like, I put it on my Twitter and said, many of you don't know that I have a Twitter account. You can also check it, follow me on that. I put that picture of a video of Mazakwa on my Twitter. And I said, my caption there, I just put it there. I said, debunk or expose the audio message that you guys sent to why Isocha Lazuba. Because if you cannot debunk it, if you want us to believe that, we also believe this one, because they use his video where they were where somebody punch his mouth, and that video was kind of on motion, with slow motion or something like that. It is very very funny, and is work of AI. They did Eggman like that. Coming from Akparawa Campo, the AI alien mother or job. Anyway, my people, I don't think I need to further this, but let's give him a few minutes to run his mouth. Listen.
What name has not been written on
Don't forget to like this video.
a stranger who is not a Biafran, who just came to offer his services? Mazi Elias.
On a go again. Ndị a bụ ndị na-abọ their well.
These they are no Biafrans. We pay them for their services, and the services they offer is no.
And you said that she is a Fulani woman, so she's also a stranger to Biafra, right? It's a stranger, so you guys did the same thing. She's a stranger, and Lazuba is a stranger. She's from South Sudan or Sudan. Sonny, you started all those things with your cabal. You started it. Like I told you, I don't even, I'm not bothered about how you design people's picture and all that. But what I don't like is it turning her picture upside down. You remember when you did it? When you guys used to turn her picture upside down, Ngos is this, Ngos is that. She's somebody's sister. So this your cry is to me is a testimonial, not I don't see it as a complaint, because I'm happy to hear you complain about it. That is me. I don't know how to hide my feelings.
More than what we pay them, because they take the Biafran cause to be as if they are fighting for their own people, their own freedom. But what name have they not been labeled? So
Bishop Nayon, in a cause you know,
to see their loved ones ridiculed, and those their profile destroyed that way.
So you know about profile, their profile. Whose profile had been destroyed more than COS? You guys destroyed it. You remember when you said that her job is a psychiatric woman in psychiatric Georgia, psychiatric woman, which I made a video then. I asked you, tell us your own job. Uncle Kena wanna kevadi, your mango Kenya is in a mango in a business mango na kevadi. Called milk in a pump. I use it sumo. In a pump on them at the middle of kevadi. What is your job? Or in a dig Anna. Because I know my be you bought and all those things. Who knows? Maybe not a farmer. Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about it. I believe that most of you, what I just said down. I think you guys remember most of those things. I would like to read your comments. God bless you. Please don't forget to like the video and tell me what you think about what we discussed. See you again. Bye bye for now.